Hey everyone, Mike here with ExcelDistanceCalculators.com, the home of smart, easy-to-use Excel solutions designed to simplify complex logistics tasks. I'm excited to show you our rate card pricing tool for logistics companies, a powerful Excel-based calculator that helps you create accurate delivery quotes in seconds using your own custom rate card. For the past 16 years, we've been building Excel tools that logistics companies actually use. Over 7,500 businesses, from solo drivers to large freight carriers, trust our tools to speed up daily operations, eliminate manual errors, and simplify pricing workflows. We've got more than 145-star Google reviews, and the feedback is always the same. Our tools make quoting and delivery planning dramatically faster and more accurate. If you're switching between apps, spreadsheets, or online calculators just to figure out delivery charges, this rate card pricing tool is going to change the way you quote. It's fully built in Excel, completely customizable, and designed specifically for logistics companies. No extra software needed, no subscriptions, and no coding. Here's how it works. On the rate card sheet, you enter your pricing model, your per mile rates, and how many vehicles you typically use per trip. That becomes the foundation of your delivery quote. Next, in the settings sheet, you define vehicle types, apply surcharges, add extra stop fees, and adjust percentage-based modifiers that reflect how your business actually charges for services. You'll also enter your Google Maps API key so the tool can calculate distance and drive time automatically. Once everything's set up, all you have to do is open the calculator sheet, enter the origin and destination, select your vehicle type from the drop-down, specify the number of vehicles, and choose if there's an extra stop. Click the Calculate button, and in just seconds, the rate card pricing tool for logistics companies does the rest. It pulls live distance and time data, applies your custom rate card and surcharges, and generates a complete delivery quote instantly, accurately, and professionally. You can download the tool using the link in the description below. And if you need any help, our support team's just a call or email away. Just real people, no bots, no runaround. Thanks so much for watching. If the rate card pricing tool for logistics companies sounds like a helpful addition to your business, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tools and tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Until next time, happy quoting.